Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com, and in today's video, we're going to be answering the question, how much does it cost to start a personal training business? Alright, so I'm going to be sharing with you a chart that I created, and I'm going to walk you through the chart so that you know exactly what to expect if you were to go along this path as a trainer. Now, the prices vary. It all depends on how much you're willing to invest. But I'm going to share with you like the bare minimum and show you the extremes of, what you have to look forward to. Okay, so bare minimum, you need PT certification, but nowadays in order for you to get a PT certification you need a CPR license. Now CPR can cost from $100 to $200. The $200 side is more if you wanted to take like a continuing education course in the CPR so that you can collect CEUs. I'm going to go into that a little bit further once we get to that point. But PT certification, you can get it as low as $300. But if you wanted to go with the course, instead of doing the studying for the certification on your own, you would take a intensive course where they'll teach you everything that's in the book so you can pass the certification, right? So it's usually like 4 to 6 weeks. You meet every weekend, and then you're going through anatomy, kinesiology, exercise physiology, and that'll get you more knowledge so that you pass the test through a breeze, and it also sets you up to be a successful trainer. So so CPR and then certification is the bare minimum. Now CEUs is continuing education units. This is something for you to keep constantly renewing every 2 years so that you're able to renew your certification. So CEUs is basically like a specialty, right? You could get CEUs from a kettlebell certification, a boxing certification, a running certification, pre-postnatal. Those are all continuing education units to strengthen the trainer's toolbox. And this is something that you're going to be needing. You bought 2.0 in order for you to get recertified every 2 years. So you need to continue to keep up with your CEUs. Now CEUs can cost anywhere from, you get CEUs for free, but the paid versions you'll pay from $99 upwards of $2,000. $2,000 is like seminars where you're diving deep into like the certification game to learn all the nooks and crannies and pretty much go deeper and deeper dive into your knowledge and toolbox. And these type of certifications would help you strengthen your toolbox to the point where you can charge more for your business. So once you become a trainer, always look for opportunities to continue your education, because it is crucial. Next up is LLC. So I mentioned in the previous video that I recommend that you go with an LLC because this will protect you and all your assets, and you can just run and have everything flow through your LLC business. Now you're paying, if you were to go with LegalZoom, you'll pay anywhere from $400 to $2,000. This is if you want to hire specialists to put everything together for you, and pretty much they have a business in a box and you're just paying $2K for them to implement all of that for you. But if you want them to just put all the paperwork for you, you're paying about $400. They hand everything to you, and then you delegate everything else to your team, or you handle everything yourself. Brand marketing. I put $250 for like the minimum. It's like getting yourself a website, getting yourself web hosting, getting yourself email marketing campaigns going, logos and all of that. $250 to X, because you can go from 0 to 100 real quick. And I'm trying to get you guys to just you know, get in the mindset of like, here's my budget, here's the minimum that I'll probably need to pay, but then the maximum, you know. But if you were to give me like, all right, Caesar, like give me the hard math, like just add everything up for me. What can I get for this? The minimum I would say is $2,000. All right, 2K. Now you don't have to pay all of the $2,000 up front, right? You don't have to pay every single thing up front, but it's just so that you handle your certification, CPR, you know, you continue in your education, and you get yourself your marketing and your LLC. $2,000, you're able to like flourish. Now I mentioned, if you're just starting out, don't have any money, you could go just a brand marketing campaign, and then through making yourself some income, right, through the brand marketing, getting yourself like, you know, through content marketing, brand marketing, whatever your aim is for your personal training business, you do all of this, and then that'll pay for everything else, right? That's another strategy. It's like you pay $250, build yourself a website, build yourself some brand awareness, you know, offer some services, and then use that money to like legitimize yourself. All right. Anyways, hope that helped answer the question. If you have any further questions, hit me down in the comment section below. And yeah, hit your boy a sub, like this video, share this video, and holla back.